In this video, we'll demonstrate how to unfollow everyone on Facebook at once. But before we dive in, I invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn this, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. To reduce the amount of content and updates they see in their newsfeed, or create a less cluttered and more personalized experience, sometimes you may want to unfollow everyone on Facebook at once. This can help them focus on the content that matters most to them and maintain a higher level of privacy by selectively following only a few key individuals or pages. To do that, first, unlock your phone and open the Facebook app. Locate the menu icon, which is usually in the bottom right corner of your screen. If you are using an Android device, the menu button might be situated at the top right. It looks like three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Tap on it to open the menu. Scroll down the menu options until you come across Settings and Privacy. Click on this option. Inside the Settings and Privacy section, you'll see an option for Settings. Go ahead and select it. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you come across Newsfeed. Tap on it to access your newsfeed settings. Now, you're in the right place. To unfollow multiple people at once, tap on Unfollow. This action will bring up a list of people you're following on Facebook. Scroll through the list of people you follow and tap on the profiles of those you want to unfollow. As you tap on them, you'll see a confirmation that you've unfollowed them. Repeat this step for each person you wish to unfollow, and that's it. You've successfully unfollowed multiple people on Facebook. This method allows you to efficiently manage your newsfeed and control the content you see. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. You can find more tutorials and resources at our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.